YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead, Saturday, the 19th of March, 2022. Nothing makes me happier than seeing out my back window sheep on the pasture. We really don't have much pasture. We had a small section that had some tufts of grass and a little bit left. Spring fever has hit them, so the little paddock they were in, they ate all the grass down, so I moved them to a small paddock out of the first paddock. It's only about half size, but it gets them out there, it gets them on pasture. But I'd like to say, if you can, please like, share, subscribe early in the video today, and always leave a comment. It helps the algorithm. We have some things going on today, not sure what, but we'll try to record what we can and we'll get on with the video. Okay folks, coming out to check, and hey, guess what, Mr. Wiggles? And I knew she was pregnant. There is three lambs. Holy cow, this mama, I can't tell you enough, but boy, she's sunken in. We gotta get to work. Oh, you good mama. Good mama. Look at how dry they are.
Yeah, look how nice they look.
Let's get some iodine on the things. Yeah, I'm gonna go around. I just, holy
Hi, baby.
mama. Oh, you're so good. I knew it. And he's not beating them up.
Huh?
And he's not beating them up, so. Okay, they're all going nuts because they see the new ones. We pulled Mr. Wiggles out. He lost his chance of being back here. So one boy, which is a white one, the one black and another white one are girls. Got her water. We're gonna load her up on feed and alfalfa because man is she thin. But she's being a good mama. She's done this before. I knew it. So we're gonna get her taken care of. Okay, real quick, I'm back here. Couple buckets of water. We changed buckets. We moved the goat out because he rammed one of the babies, and I'm not gonna have that. We knew that was a possibility. So, but we did leave him in here for now. They kind of stay apart. Got her plenty of hay. Got her some. Thanks, Alice. Got her some feed still, and we got alfalfa pellets in there. So she's got plenty of feed and food, and Ranger will eat a little. The sheep feed is fine for Ranger. It just has no copper. So it's more safe for her. And because if we gave Ranger goat feed, she ate it, she would probably pass. And we're already pretty much at a low health rating, I think, for her right now. But she gave birth to triplets. I mean, it took a lot out of her. So I think maybe that's why they were selling her, because they were just seeing her thin out so bad. Well, her body was feeding triplets, and she just didn't have enough winter weight on her. So we're going to keep pumping the feed to her. Yeah, we're grass-fed only, and we mainly do that for cost. And if I eat lamb, I want grass-fed lamb. I don't want a bunch of feed into them. So we're back here. Got her taken care of. She's settled down with her babies. The babies are settling in. There's a little bit of afterbirth around. We'll get that cleaned up. Got plenty of feed for her. We got some alfalfa pellets. Got some feed. Got plenty of hay. Ranger is still in here. The boar ram, he's gone because he's just going to be a jerk. So she's in here. She's doing pretty good. She ate. she's chewing her cud, so. And she's still pooping pellets. So that's a good sign. But it's good to see the two girls up front, the boys in back. The boy's the smallest, but they're really all about the same size. We're not sure on the father because we did buy her at auction. TP, stop. Here, you want some screen time? Is that it? Oh, now you're camera shy. No? OC, original chicken. She's the oldest. Along with Beatrice. But got her sitting here. She's doing fine. We're going to leave her in this section, not have her with the sheep fully. She can still see them. We'll keep them with Ranger. Wiggles will no longer be in here. I'm going to keep her on feed. This feed is mainly for use, and it's good for her. It'll help her regain. Clearly, the babies took a lot out of her. You know, they might have sold her because she was laying a lot, and maybe they thought she was bloating, and she was just thin. Well, triplets are they're going to eat any person alive, any human, any animal. Triplets is a drain on a body. Yeah, certain goats do, and like I think it's the Frisians have up to 6. They have like litters, but it's a lot on them. So that's why she's thin. So we'll keep all this feed in here for her. I say a lot, but we'll try to keep her updated and see what happens. We'll move on to the rest of the day. Maybe look at Wiggles because he's not happy. Mr. Wiggles likes to be back here. Mr. Wiggles doesn't like to be with the goats. So Mr. Wiggles is tied to a line right now. We'll have to figure out where we put him tonight. Quick update on the turkeys. The turkeys are turkeying. They're doing pretty good. They're getting some growth. All 12 still here. I removed the insulation, whatever, because it's warmer out, so they don't need all that heat. Pretty soon I'll move the line up probably about 3 inches. What I do is I just have a carabiner. I got a couple. And I'll pull those off. I'll pull one of those carabiners off, and that'll change the temperature enough. We have a couple nights there in the 40s, but they're feathering out, so they'll be all right. They're starting to get a little rambunctious. So probably in a week or so, I'll have to check the temperatures. Maybe we can get them out in the chicken tractor. We'll keep them kind of sheltered by the garage barn / whatever this is. It's like a garage with a back door barn. And keep them out of the wind as much as possible. And see how they do. But they're doing well. So yeah, we moved Mr. Wiggles out to the yard. He's on the clothesline. Got a collar on him, a carabiner, and a lead rope. That's where we'll keep him for a few hours today. He's already decided to knock over his water and move his hay everywhere. But they are not really grazers, but more goats will graze. So hopefully he goes back and eat it. But I had it standing up. We'll see what he does, but I'm not sure where to put him tonight. He might end up being with someone who I'm not sure. But he's not happy. But he's going to the auction house on Monday. Yeah, sorry about the wind noise, but I'm out here and I got the stand out here, which I'm going to put my new stand on a affiliate link. It'll be in the description down below. If you buy it and I sell enough, I get a small portion. I have to tell you that. I have to disclose that. But I'll take a picture of it. It's a really nice one. And I'll insert it here. Okay, we're back. It's next day, Sunday. There she is. I just walked in, she gets up. There's a story behind that. So yesterday we thought that she wasn't really feeding enough, and she was laying down. She's recovering. I mean, she clearly pushed out 3 babies. So we came back with a bottle. Melody was feeding some of the babies a little bit, and then all of a sudden she felt that she needed to. So she got up and they were feeding, and they were getting their colostrum. So now anytime we walk back here, she gets up and feeds them. So we just got to keep a good, timely fashion. Getting back here and let the lambs feed. They do take turns, which is kind of funny. One will step away. They kind of take about the same amount of time, step away. Her bag has gotten a lot better. So she's getting some decent amount of milk. So we're going to keep pushing hay, keep pushing feed. Try to keep her in better health and keep the milk flowing. We will still supplement a little bit here, just in case. I can see colostrum poo on the white one here. So, and she's doing all right. Rest of the crew is doing okay too. As you can see, Mary in the background is still feeding off of Mom. Eleanor will let her lambs feed up to 6 months off of her. She's kind of crazy. That's why Mary's freaking huge. She's actually at sale weight. She's probably 40 pounds right now. She's big. And then here's that's rambunctious. There's the other ram right in front of me, the baby ram. And Joker's over there somewhere. There's the thief. Actually, no, that was the thief. Feeding off of Sally. I don't know where the other ram is over there with his head in the feeder. Great. We're going to take care of that. Okay, I think that'll do it for the end of this video. Melly's in there feeding Ranger right now. I will put anything else on the end of this video, but I think this will be the end. Everyone looks good. Everyone looks healthy. Everyone is eating or drinking. So this looks good. We do have some colder weather today, so they're locked in. We have the door shut, no air except for the one area. And the goat, Mr. Wiggles, is in the carport. We got him barricaded in there, so he'll be there till Monday morning, which will be tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching. See you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.